home. Yay. I spent all morning running around. Got home. Spent the last hour and a half on the phone with my bank. Because somehow a recurring charge got authorized on my account without my permission. It's getting taken care of. I'm getting the money back. But I've been running around dealing with stuff. I've been dealing with the bank. And I'm just glad I get a little bit of a chance to rest before I run and start doing more stuff. Also, I won't be able to show you. I don't know if I mentioned this in a previous video, but recently I noticed the casing on my camera is starting to come apart. I need to stop and pick up, I was told, Fratelloni's Ace Hardware near me will have mini machine screws, so I just need to pick those up at some point in the near future. And need to find a way to pick up some sort of screwdriver that'll allow me to actually put those in. Can you guys scan that? I want to see if this works.
Metalhead is all charged up to meet you. Attacking the power pole should disrupt his power supply.
It is almost midnight right now. Really, the only thing that happened today was that I was on the phone for forever. I spent an hour and a half on the phone. I spent an hour and a half on the phone because of some BS with a recurring charge on my bank account that I never set up. Gotta love that. Gotta love adulting. And there's a few things I'm still waiting for. Getting ready for Super Bowl. Super Bowl's in less than a week. I'm planning on spending this Sunday watching Super Bowl. But I hope you enjoyed the little bit of gameplay footage I included in here. It's pretty much the only other thing I did today.
Watch out, Spyro. The Norks in these pods have discovered the power of electricity, and it really stings.
Good job, Spyro. One day you'll be able to tell all the dragons about your amazing adventures.
Sure, but what I'd really like to do is get out of this swamp.
Other than sit on the phone, sucks how I can't get stuff done now because of everything that's going on with my bank. Yeah, I gotta get ready for Super Bowl. I'm trying to get ready for Super Bowl this Sunday. Got a few things that I wanted to do for Super Bowl, so I don't know what footage I'm gonna get. I've got some backup footage of other stuff that I've recorded. And I'm just trying to keep myself busy, even if it isn't working. Granted, it is working, it's just not working the way I want it to work. So, I don't know what else to say. But yeah, because that gameplay footage is the only thing that I did today other than sit on the phone. I don't know, I've got a few videos scheduled between now and when that gameplay video comes out. If you like what you saw in the gameplay footage, go to my gaming channel. The link to that is down below. Spyro is one of my favorite games, or it was when I first got the PlayStation 1. So, I'm tired. If y'all made it this far, give me a like, subscribe if you haven't, hit that bell notification. Hopefully I've got something planned for tomorrow, but we'll see.